this EPIRB has got a hydraulic release unit. What happens is once this vessel is going, Jai Mata Di, this is EPIRB, emergency position indicating radio beacon. First basic importance of EPIRB is that there are geostationary satellites roaming across the Earth in the innermost orbit, and these satellites are COSPAS and SATSAT satellites. So what happens is these EPIRB, once if it gets activated, it gives a signal to these satellites. Okay, bhaiya, the vessel is in distress, it's in problem. And when these COSPAS, SATSAT satellites receive the signals, they transmit it to the MRCC, that is Maritime Rescue Coordination Centers, the nearby ones. Okay, bhaiya, this vessel has got a problem. Now, how do they do that? These EPIRB transmits a signal like a code, which goes to which is taken by the COSPAS SATSAT satellites and sent to the MRCC. From those codes, MRCC makes out what's the name of the vessel, what's the call sign and everything, and they get the details as well. Ki location kya hai EPIRB ki, that is the most important. GPS location of what's the location of this EPIRB. Now, one thing is when we are abandoning the ship, then we take this EPIRB along with us in the lifeboat first thing. Why? Because in that case, it has got a battery life of 96 hours. So whenever it can be tested, it can be activated. Once it is activated, then for those 96 hours continuously, if any satellites is coming in during that area, the COSPAS satellites, they will receive the signal and send it to the nearest MRCC centers. Apart from that, this EPIRB has got a hydraulic release unit fitted inside. Now what will happen is suddenly we are not able to, people on board ship are not able to leave the ship itself. Fine, and all of us die. This ship also sinks along, and we are in deep sea. Nobody comes to know. In that case, this EPIRB has got a hydraulic release unit. What happens is once this vessel is going inside water, then once it goes inside water, say up to 3 to 4 meters inside, then a hydraulic pressure of the water, static hydraulic pressure of the water acts on this cover over here, inside over here, and the EPIRB which is holding onto the surface over here, it gets liberated, and then it comes out. The EPIRB, whenever it comes in contact with seawater, it gets automatically activated and starts sending signals to the COSPAS and SATSAT satellites, 406.5 megahertz signals. So guys, this is what is the importance of EPIRB.